everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do another What I Eat in a Day video. Sorry, it's a little noisy in here today. I'm doing a bunch of recipe testing and filming today. It's the weekend. And I am just sitting down to breakfast. It is almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I slept in a little bit today because I needed it, and then I just have been busy in the kitchen and I'm just now hungry. So you guys know, if you watch me for a while, I do intermittent fasting just because I feel better that way. I don't like to eat first thing when I wake up. It makes me feel kind of sick. So this is how I do it. So this is my first meal today. I was recipe testing this ginger chicken, ginger and asparagus chicken. It's actually turned out really well. So I'm gonna have that for breakfast. I'll show you what it looks like here. Give me just a sec. This is how it looks. So I've got the asparagus and some chicken, and there's green onion in here too. Where is it? Kind of cut up. It wilts a bit when it cooks. So I'm gonna just enjoy this. So I'm just gonna enjoy this for breakfast, and I will see you at lunchtime. It's good. Hi everybody, I am back with another, I wouldn't call this a meal, maybe more of a snack. I'm not super hungry, but Asher wanted a strawberry smoothie, so I made him one of those, and I was getting a bit of a headache, so sometimes I get that when my sugar goes a little bit low. But if I'm not super hungry, I don't like to eat a lot, and I'm not actually physically hungry, but my brain is telling me I probably need something. So all that to say, I'm gonna have a little dish of strawberries, which I'll show you here. Hold on. So I'm just gonna eat these strawberries. It's just a couple of strawberries. So I'm gonna eat these, and then I'm just gonna continue cooking. I have another video to make, making ginger beef for a video. I'm really excited about it because it turned out really good. And then I was just doing some basic cooking and prep for the week, because tomorrow's Monday, back to work. We're on spring break, so not back to school, which is great. Asher's excited about that. But I still had a fair bit to do for me, and then just some videos and things. So I'm gonna eat these strawberries, enjoy them, and then I'll show you what dinner looks like whenever I get ready to eat that. All right. Okay, hi everybody, I am back with my next meal. This is supper, really. So I had those strawberries in the middle of the day for a snack, and I haven't really been hungry. It's about 6 o'clock, so it's not super late. I made ginger beef for you guys in a video today while I was doing, just get the lighting in here a little bit better. I made ginger beef for you guys, and that's what I'm gonna have for dinner, so I'll show you. I'm not gonna eat all this because it's a big bowl. It was just the bowl that I shot it in, but I will show you. I love this one. It's just like having real takeout, which we don't get to have for obvious reasons. But I love it. Ginger beef was actually invented in Canada, so it's a Chinese takeout meal. It is Canadian originated, so it's not real Chinese, but it is what you would get at a Chinese restaurant here in Canada. I believe it was invented in Alberta, so maybe Calgary. If anybody's from Calgary, you can let me know if that's correct or not. But this is so good. I might make some broccoli to go with it. I might not. Again, I'm not super hungry today, guys. So I'll have a little dish of this for sure. And then if I do end up making broccoli or anything to go alongside it, I'll let you know. Otherwise, this is what I'm gonna have for right now. I might have one more snack before bed. We'll see. Otherwise, this is supper. All right, I'll see you guys later.